there, Sweetpeas, and welcome to another dupe check video. Today we are checking out Zoya's Maren against their blue shade from last year's summer collection called Walker. Now, if you guys watched my video last year for the Zoya summer collection, Walker was one of my favorites, so I was very intrigued by seeing Maren in this new collection and thinking right off the bat that these two kind of look similar. However, as soon as I got both of them in my hands, you can look at them side by side and you can tell that Maren is going to be a hint darker. Definitely a bit calmer in the sense where Walker does give off a kind of bright, super bold vibe. So let's try them out side by side on the nail because sometimes things transfer different via bottles to nails. So here is one coat of Maren. Super great formula, applies really nicely as you guys can see. One coat is almost a full coverage, so let's see how that compares to Walker. Like I mentioned earlier, Walker is one of my favorites, so this is going to be really interesting. I'm kind of intrigued. I don't know. It's going to be hard to beat Walker in my mind. So here is one coat of Walker. Okay, you can already tell that this is going to be a bit brighter. I feel like Maren is more on the edge of like a royal navy or nautical navy, if that makes any sense, where it's just brighter than navy, but it's not to the bright intensity that we're getting with Walker. Walker definitely is brighter. However, formula-wise, they are very similar. They're both going to apply really nicely, which is nice. I do think you could use both of these in your collection. However, if you're like not a huge fan of blues, just pick one. That also being said, I feel like the safer color choice here is Maren because I feel like a lot of people do lean towards kind of the safer blue. However, if you like a bright bold blue, go with Walker. It's a bit more cobalt and I personally love that. Here's them side by side and they're definitely different. And I mean, you could have both and it wouldn't hurt, but like I said, if you're not a blue fan, these polishes might not be for you because Walker is super bold and I absolutely love that, but Maren is a bit more reserved, so that's going to be your personal preference. But overall, I would say these two are not a dupe. What did you guys think? I hope y'all found this a little informative and helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon for another new video. Bye!